Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John, and I just wanted to do a part 3. This is going to be for the installation of the backspace curtain rod that was purchased online. Um, Very easy installation. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at the curtain rod. If you've seen part number 1 for the manual, and then part 2, when I unbox the curtain rod, you'll see right over there. Um, it was a pretty easy installation. What I did is I used the brackets for the pre-existing hole that I removed from the old curtain rod. And as you can see right over there and right over there, it was just enough room. At one of the ends, you can adjust the curtain rod to the desired length. Okay. If you are looking at this video, you can either adjust it to the right or to the left. There is only 2 brackets that you do get with the curtain rod package, and it is strong enough to hold the curtain rod in place, plus the drapes. So there you go, the curtain rod installation. There will be a part 4 to this video. It's going to be complete with the actual curtains or drapes, and you can see how it looks complete. So to reiterate, you have part 1, which is the manual for the curtain rod. You have part 2 for the unboxing, and then you have the curtain rod installation, which is part 3. So you can see all of this on my YouTube channel playlist for backspace curtain rod. Hey, thanks a lot for checking out this quick video. Appreciate it. Check out the rest of my other videos on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.